Hello everyone. Thank you for having me. My name is Arthur, and I'm going to be speaking to you today about
air conditioner replacement filters.
After watching this video, if you found information here helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
Coughing, sneezy, itchy, or watery eyes? These could be signs you need an air filter change. Dirty or low-quality air filters not only trap less dust and pollutants, but also end up circulating pollen, dust mites, irritants, and other harmful particles back into your home. Breathe clean air and protect your health and home with an AIRx filter today.